Hello, welcome to your happy place. Today we're making pizza in a minute. Yes, follow this space for easiest recipe that you can try and get used to. Let's begin with taking a mug normal size, add in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into the mug. Then add 1/8 teaspoon baking powder and 1/16 teaspoon baking soda. You may now mix it well so that these 3 ingredients get thoroughly blended into each other. Now we add 3 teaspoons of milk and 1 teaspoon olive oil. You mix it finely until it becomes like a dough of pizza. You would see the changing in dough. And add a pinch of salt and mix it again. Now layer it with 1 teaspoon tomato or pizza sauce as per your preference. Layer it with 2 teaspoons shredded mozzarella. You may increase or decrease cheese quantity as per your wish. Now cut red chili peppers and black olives to garnish the pizza. Again as per your desired preference. Lastly, add 1 to 4 teaspoon oregano and let it bake for 1 minute. And you're ready with your 1-minute microwave pizza. Subscribe our channel for more easy quick recipes. Thanks for watching.